Okay guys, looks like we've got a sandstorm coming in, just going over the top of the rig. But if you look this way, it's going to get quite nasty. Everybody's getting ready to run for cover. Just see if I can see it on the ground over here. Yeah, you can see it's clear on the horizon that way. If I pan over, see it's coming in. This is a pretty big one. That's a good few thousand feet high. So I'm going to get inside, and this is going to get pretty nasty pretty quickly.
Take your car, otherwise the board may fall your car. It will become an incident.